So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa ating mga kababayan. This is Psei Recap, and today we'll be reviewing and we'll be looking at the positions na pwede nating kumbaga ilagay natin sa checklist, no? And of course, medyo we're seeing slight recovery sa ating market. And before we all do all of those analysis, of course, yung lagi nating ginagawa, yung ating quick word from the sponsor. Especially right now, very timely itong ating verses because of the Sogiville, no? And of course, alam niyo naman yan, dito sa Pilipinas, nagkakaroon, no? May malaking issue dyan. And we as Christians, ano ba yung stand natin dyan? And eto, no? Itong word na to is hindi ko to ginawa. Ito yung nakasulat. So, ang gagawin lang natin, babasahin natin. So, again, it will serve as a reminder, no? Kung ano yung stand natin as Christians and ano ba yung baka ngayon ditong-dito ka pa. So, again, babasahin natin. This is from Leviticus chapter 20, verse 13. If a man lies with a male as with a woman, both of them have committed an abomination. They shall surely be put to death, their blood is upon them. So again, dati, capital punishment yung parusa. Paraan nila nun dati, stoning to death, no? Kapag ganun. So again, ngayon, gagawin ba natin yon? Of course, since we have been a period of grace, di ba? Right now, no? Dumating si Jesus Christ dito, tinubos tayo. So, ngayon, we're in a period of grace, and of course, ako, personally, may mga kilala din ako na sabihin na natin na kasama rito. So, we could at least pray for them. Pwede pang mabago. And marami naman ako nakita na nagbago. Talagang lang talaga. Tayo lang sa nakakaalam, kinakailangan pag-pray natin sila. So again guys, baka medyo nalilito pa kayo. So I think this is a good reminder, no, kung ano yung standard ng Bible, kung ano yung dapat nating sundin. So again, don't get me wrong, but it is what it is. Ito yung nakasulat. And especially kasi ngayon, marami kang makikita artista, known personalities, even politician. No? I don't think na nabasa nila to or nagbabasa sila specifically. And yun ang dapat na gawin mo. Magbasa ka kasi ito yung guide and ito yung dapat natin na kumbaga gawin nating standard. So again, let me remind you, no? Don't let me interpret it for yourself. Ponder upon it, research it, and kumbaga sa kayo rin mismo yung mag-discover, no? So again, ang po-point out ko lang dito, you should start developing and make it a habit to read the Bible, no? Kahit pa unti-unti lang, unti-unti, and then makukuha nyo rin naman yan, matatapos nyo rin naman. And again, let's now move on sa ating review. And again, sa ating review, most importantly, huwag nyong ilagay or huwag kayong magpakampante, no, sa interpretation ko. Again, the final decision should rest upon yourself. Ikaw yung mag-click ng mouse, ikaw yung mag-buy, or probably ikaw rin yung mag-sell. And again, this is my personal review, and yun nga lang, sinishare ko. And in no way, shape, or form na dapat nyong paniwalaan kasi kumbaga sa iba-iba tayo ng style. Although same ideas, marami pa rin pwedeng paraan, no? tulad ng risk management, and then yung allocation, di ba? So maraming ano, and even yung time frame, iba-iba tayo ng ano. So again, yung nandito sa general idea, and then the rest, kayo yung bahala na paano i-execute yun. So again, we're now leaving from 100%, no, yung Bible to a probability, no, trading. So again, puro warning na sinabi ko sa inyo. So again, take it with a grain of salt, no, yung sasabihin ko rito. Definitely hindi ko nakukuha 100% yung mga trades na yan. I have losses as well. But then again, dapat lang nandoon yung overall panalo ka. So again, PSEI dropped negative 46 points. We're closing it at 7,933. And of course, the index managed to stay above 7,009. No? If I'm mistaken, back to back, no? 7,900. And of course, that is driven by the easing of inflation, especially by the rice law. No? So basically, yung mga wala sa Pilipinas ngayon, no? Let me explain. Nag-i-import yung Pilipinas ngayon ng rice, so ang nangyayari, bumababa yung presyo daw. Pero ako, personally, hindi ko rin maramdaman. But, ang nangyayari yata is bumababa ng piso, 2 piso, and then ang nangyayari, ang yumayaman, yung mga nag-i-import, no? And ang tinatamaan ng matindi, yung mga magsasaka, I think pumalo na yata ng 7 pesos. And some 17 pesos yung benta nila, and dapat may gawing action din yung gobyerno rito, no? So I don't think it's sustainable. Kawawa rin yung mga magsasaka kung hindi nila nababalanse na maayos. So again, isa pa sa mga prevailing news recently, yung Indonesia ban sa nickel mining, and of course, after ng Indonesia, I think Philippines, no, isa sa mga top exporter ng metal na nickel. So again, isa pa sa mga prevailing news overall is yung Pogo, no? So Duterte is siding with the Pogo, and he is reiterating na kailangan natin yung Pogo, no? So again, itong mga news na to, it's very important, no? Especially if you are on a higher time frame like weekly or daily, and even mas lalo sa monthly, no? Itong yung binabalanse mo, no? How is the news and how is the stock reacting to the news, if it reacts at all, di ba? So again, kaya may ganito tayo, no? So ang ating PSEI, again, tulad ng sinabi ko, managed to stay dito sa 7,900 level, no? So again, very psychological in whole number, yung 8,000. I think marami, if not, ang nag-aabang dito sa ating PSEI, no? Na magkaroon siya ng, or ma-break yung 8,000 level. So again, very, very crucial itong week na to. Let's try to check and see kung if ever, no? If ever lang naman ma-break yung 8,000, but we're not really hoping, no? Kasi medyo magulo rin itong formation ng candle na to. If it breaks yung 8,000, then we're gonna welcome it as a good news. But if not, again, stay with the plan. Play the market or trade the market very defensively. So again, one of the beneficiaries, no, ng nickel ban ng Indonesia is of course yung Nickel Asia Corporation ng Pilipinas, no, NIKL, and this will be the move of the week, no? Monday, dito, no? So gap up pa nga siya, and then almost 50% in one day ang inabot ng NIKL, and then the following day, I think another 9%, and then Wednesday may follow through. But for the past 2 days, medyo bumababa siya, and kawawa rin yung nakabili rito, no? They are trapped, no? Ito yung mga na-trap. 480 to 5, nandito yung mga nakabili sa top. So again, medyo mahirap timingan to, no? Because very volatile and mainit-init talaga yung news. But of course, we have to at least somehow, no? Timingan and assess kung saan yung point na kung saan there's a good reward kapalit ng risk, no, na we were gonna take, no. So again, for me, it only makes sense na to trade it around 4 peso, 3.92 area dito sa level na to at least. Medyo it makes sense, no? It makes sense na doon ka medyo mag-abang kasi again, medyo pabagsak, no? So we don't know kung gaano ka ano yan. But if it's compresses, no, yung price action compresses dito sa area na to, I think that's a good area, no, to pick. Again, maraming paraan para i-mitigate yung risk. Probably you could at least put 1/3 of your holdings here and then pwede ka mag-wait if it falls down below that and then magdagdag ka pag bumalik na ulit siya, no? So that's one of the maraming paraan para i-play itong NIKL. And of course, the prevailing news, no? Kahit bumababa yan ngayon, I think it's going to be a positive sign in the long run, no? Especially if magtuloy-tuloy yung ban ng Indonesia na yan. So again, ang ating sentiment for the week, of course, for almost the whole of August, and even before yung August, di ba? 4th week of July pa lang, we're really bearish. But right now, I'm gonna say we're going to be neutral, no? And I think from my observation personally, no, I think we're going to already seeing a change of sentiment, no, with the way the market is acting. And again, once and for all, no, I tell you, 8,000 level may be a pivotal key area for other bulls, no, on the sideline. And nag-aabang lang yan, no. Once tumuntong ng 8,000, doon sila mag-allocate ng mas malaki, no. So again, 8,000 this week, we'll take it a good sign, and then probably you should again allocate, mas malaki na allocation mo kapag medyo gumaganda yung market, no. So again, one of the nadala siya ng recent news, of course. Again, global ferronickel, no. As the name suggests, itong company to is dealing with mining of the nickel, no. So unlike sa NIKL, that we don't yet kung saan siya tatama, I think ferronickel, you could at least start to accumulate na, no. So obserbahan mo lang, especially this Monday, kung magko-compress ba, kung magiging volatile pa rin, but I think it's sitting at a good area, no, to catch yung pinaka-turn ng NFNI. So again, 158, tapos recently nag-close siya sa 163. Yung 163 na yan, medyo okay na rin yan. But if you could get it at 158, much better, no. Baka yun yung pinaka-pivot, no. So itong mga trades na to, napakahirap, no. Mahirap siya, but again, kapag paulit-ulit mo siyang ginagawa, hindi ka na rin masyadong takot. Dati nung nag-umpisa ako, ganyan eh. Takot akong sumalo ng mga pababa. But yun nga, observation lang. And then, may kita mo kasi, no? There are some patterns. And of course, itong nickel story naman, it's very prevalent. Diba? So again, next on our watch list would be pen. So nagustuhan ko dito sa pen is yung structure, no? How it was structured, no? So makikita mo rito from a double bottom, 'di ba? So sa taas, nag-consolidate siya ng konti, and then I think last Thursday nagkaroon siya ng big spike in volume, no? Which is very unusual. Very unusual because usually kapag spike ng volume ng ganyan, dapat itong price action na to, dapat pumapalo din to. So, that means yung top. So, nangyari dito, trying to break yung 52-week high, but hindi nag-prevail. But I think, give it a few more days, mag-go to, no? Kung dumire-diretso to, then we're gonna call it a top. But from what I'm seeing, mukhang start up another leg of run para sa pen. And maganda rin naman yung stories, no? And probably one of the leaders, if not, kung magre-recovery market natin itong pen, no? So again, ito yung mga nauuna, no? Kumbaga sa kabayo, pag-release ng gate, itong mga pen yung unang mga tatakbo. So again, that's how I see it, but probably you could interpret differently. Probably you could call it a top already. But let's see, no? Let's see kung ano yung mangyayari sa pen. But from what I'm seeing, mukhang maganda naman yung nangyayari dito sa pen. Same thing with fifth, di ba? Medyo hirap siya dito sa 190 area. Especially 190, 192. But again, last Wednesday, big spike in big spike in in volume, and then finally push through, even penetrating yung 2 peso area. So again, sa PIP, the best area to buy this, kasi medyo undecided yan, yung candle formation na yan. If you could buy this at least dito sa 1.90 is 2 peso area. Same thing with pen. Isa siya sa mga leader stocks, and again, hindi na ako nagulat, no, na siya yung nag-uumpisa ng panibagong leg of run. Kaya nga medyo naging neutral ako sa market ngayon, because I'm seeing yung mga leaders resuming yung kanilang position, no? 'Di ba? Pen, PIP, 'di ba? So again, one of the leaders as well is yung SLI. Steady yung uptrend, and walang tawag dito. Walang effect halos. Yung mapapansin mo yung buong August, hindi siya ganun masyadong nag-dive, no? Nangyari lang sa kanya, steady, and currently, right now, it's consolidating. You may want to wait, at least, no? If ma-break niya itong 260, 270 area, but if you're really feeling confident dito sa SLI, and of course, yung property stocks na magre-recover, you might want to position right now, no? Especially, kung maaabutan mo pa sa 230, 240 area, itong SLI, no? So again, depende sa confidence level mo with the SLI. I think recently, maganda yung award na nangyari sa kanya, no? I think one of the best run companies, something like that, or good companies within Southeast Asia, itong SLI. Next on the watch list would be LPZ, no? So ang gusto ko rito, very sneaky, yung pagkakaano rito. Look at how the price is forming, no? Tumaas, baba, right now consolidate, but look at this accumulation, no? Hindi masyadong tumaas yung presyo, di ba? But ang laki ng volume na na-purchase dito, no? If our conclusion is correct, we might at least swing it quick 10% dito sa 5 peso area, no? And of course, I'm speculating, but probably there's something to do with of course, Madam Gina's di ba, departure. And of course, nakita mo naman recently din yung ABS-CBN tumataas, no? So let's see, no? Let's see. It remains to be seen kung ano nga itong ibig sabihin nitong mga big spike in volume nitong LPZ. So ganun yung market, no? Maganda pag nag-observe ka, nakikita mo, no? Ito yung very crucial, and minsan natitaken for granted ng newbies, especially, di ba? Technicals. More on the technical siya, tumitingin, hindi niya na nakikita yung bird's eye view ng market, di ba? So, I think, one of the things na you will learn dito sa aking pagre-review, makikita mo gaano katutok, no? Kung sino yung gumagalaw, sino yung abnormal yung pagbaba, doon ako nakatingin, no? So, I'm definitely not monitoring yung lahat ng stocks na yan, but kung sino yung talagang gumagalaw, no? Doon tayo tumitingin. And especially, mas maganda yung mga ganito, no? Yung mga spike ng volume na hindi mo mahuhuli yan basta-basta, no? If you're not really looking at the market very baga sa dapat tutok na tutok ka. So again, medyo maaga yata tayo dun sa 16. Last time we say na yung 16 probably is a good time to catch this, but eventually nag-broke down nung especially dumating yung August. So right now, we're really sure, no, yung 10-11 is a solid area to buy. Right now, you could at least play this bukas, ride it Monday, and then release agad. One day, lang yun. So, this is an intraday trade. Or if you want a much safer position dito sa Psei, and if you're not feeling confident, yun, babalikan mo lang and mag-aabang ka ulit sa kanyang pullback, no? Probably it would retest yung 11-12 area. Doon ka mag-abang, no? But if you're feeling confident and may oras ka, play it sa Monday, this coming Monday, for a one-day trade. And ang ganda kasi nung nangyari sa kanya, no? Big spike in volume. And maganda yung naging reaction niya with the recent news, no? So again, yan din yung magaganda, no? Kapag na-obserbahan yung market, yung mga laggards and losers is finally moving. That might indicate overall kung gaano or kung magre-recover na yung market natin as a whole. So again, next on our watch list, this would be a very risky, I think scary for most of the newbies as well, itong APO. So again, ilang ganitong pattern na ba yung nakita natin, di ba? So, again, litan mo lang, no? Yung allocation mo rito, of course, wala naman tong any news or development katulad ng ibang stocks. This is purely day trader stock. So again, you might want to catch dito sa 78, 80 area, and then wait for the for another spike na mangyayari, and then probably you could sell kapag nandoon na yung event na yan. Yung spike pa yan ganon, and then take some profits as well, no? So again, be very careful lang dito because the liquidity of this stock mabilis na nawawala. And kapag sobrang laki ng naging position mo rito and wala kang mabentahan na iba, magda-dive and you're going to take kung ano yung ino-offer ng mga buyers, no? So, pagka magandang stock, maganda, maging barat ka talaga, no? So, ang nagustuhan ko lang dito is yung movement, no? Yung movement, how steep it dive, di ba? Sobrang lalim. And right now, you're seeing na yung price is constricting, no? Contracting. And once the price is contracting, ang next na niyan is expansion, no? So again, especially dapat ma-beat niya to, no? Itong, I think this is 88.88 area. Kung mabibit niya yan, mas maganda, no? Probably magko-continue pa siya ng dire-diretso, no? So again, maraming salamat sa panonood. This is Psei Recap, and I hope you learn something. And again, no, just hold on and survive the market. And then probably kapag gumanda na yung ating sitwasyon, mas magiging profitable ka na. Again, see you next week.